Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Nilkant, Zuze and Trojan likely to join Congress party. Sources say joining after Panji by-poll, NCP in Goa may see its end. Church opposes ZP election on party lines, appeals to withdraw ordinance, calls it unconstitutional. Congress meets governor to oppose ordinance. Battle Capital reports on white elephant of Panji, the municipal market. CCP gets zero revenue, faces loss of crores of rupees, no action on market scams yet. Fourteen proposals of 1,057 crores generating over 2,500 jobs accepted by Investment Board. CM declares to open 13 new police stations and 8 police subdivisions in state. And Keri villagers block a barge at Aronda village. Villagers upset as barges destroyed 12 fishing nets. Locals already against Aronda jetty intensify agitation. Now the news in detail. Goan NCP leaders are on the verge of joining the Congress party. Sources claim NCP State President Nilkant Halankar, former Minister Jose Philip D'Souza and Chief Spokesperson Trojan De Mello have almost made the decision to embrace Congress. Shifting might take place anytime after Panji by-poll. This exodus from NCP may lead to the end of the party organization in Goa.
Nationalist Congress Party is in shambles at national level and in the state too. NCP has lost its hold in Maharashtra, almost. NCP was routed in Goa Assembly poll in 2012. Nilkant Halankar and Jose Philip D'Souza had lost 2012 Assembly election. Though Nilkant was appointed as NCP State President, required manpower and finance never reached their Goa office. All three leaders of NCP are upset with the party and are now staring at Congress Bhavan. All three leaders of NCP have already apprised their high command about financial and other requirements to run the party in the state. But central leadership of NCP is not in the mood to listen. You both were ministers in erstwhile government. How come you have financial problems? Sources claim that NCP central leadership has made such a taunt to Nilkant and Jose. This, Goan NCP leaders say, is enough to understand that it's time to leave the sinking ship. Most importantly, when BJP came to power and Congress was dormant on burning issues, it was NCP who was fighting the lone battle in 2012 and 2013. After Luisin Falero took over state Congress, party has rejuvenated. Now NCP feels left out by its own high command. Sources claim that talks between NCP Congress leaders are in final phase. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Church has opposed government's decision to conduct ZP elections on party lines. Executive Secretary of CHJP Father Xavier Fernandez says that people are highly literate to manage their affairs on their own. However, CM Lakshmikant Parsekar is firm on conducting ZP elections on party lines. CJSP has demanded withdrawal of the ordinance, calling it unconstitutional. Meanwhile, GPCC met Governor Mrudula Sinha raising objection on conducting ZP elections on party lines.
Following Zilla Panchayat members, now Council for Social Justice and Peace has opposed the government's decision to hold ZP election on party lines. Council for Social Justice and Peace says people are highly literate to handle affairs at grassroots level. Political interference will rise at grassroots level. Ordinance is against 73rd Constitutional Amendment. ZP election on party line is for bigger districts rather than small villages in Goa. Political parties in panchayats will lead to destroying grassroots democracy. CHJP also stated that political parties and MLAs have been primary cause of instability in panchayats. Most of the Zilla Panchayat members have opposed government's decision. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has cleared that government is firm on conducting ZP election on party lines. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Tussle between the shop owners and the CCP seems unending. The Panji market has become a white elephant in the corporation of city of Panji. The CCP faces a loss of whopping 1 crore 80 lakh rupees per month. Panjikars are paying for the loss in guise of tax to the CCP. This loss is faced as the shopkeepers do not pay rent to the CCP. Shopkeepers do agree with the rates decided by the CCP. 2 years back, former South Goa collector N.D. Agarwal had prepared a report on the market scam, but no action was initiated. Watch our series Battle for Capital.
The huge Panji market complex was inaugurated on 17 January 2007. The shops were allotted to existing shopkeepers in the old market. Next in line were those who had small shops or kiosks in and around Panji. After all these allotments, remaining shops were supposed to be leased out to the interested parties. But ironically, this order was not followed and political heavyweights used their powers to allot shops to those who were ready to pay huge sums of money. Recently, CCP demolished around 46 kiosks from prime location in Panji following court orders. Kiosk owners from Miramar, National Theatre, Altin and opposite Geeta Bakery were affected. CCP claims that these kiosks created problems to the pedestrians and vehicular traffic. Though the court had ordered demolition, it had also ordered for rehabilitation of these kiosks in the new Panji market. But till date, no kiosk has been rehabilitated.
आम्ही रिपेटिशन घातलेले जुनान जिखले आमी गाडी घालून दिचे म्हणून सांगले ते म्हणटा कितें हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर आसा हायकोर्टाची ऑर्डर कांयच ना काड म्हणून कांयच ऑर्डर ना तेजेर म्हाका बरोवन दिला आनी हायकोर्टान तांकां सांगलेले हायकोर्टान सुप्रीम कोर्टान गाड्या काडच्या पयलीं तेंचे खंय तरी वेवस्था करची म्हणून तुमी जर गाड्या काडना तुमचेर कंटेम्प्ट जाता म्हणटा तुमी आनी गाड्या तेंची जी ऑर्डर तुमी मानना ती कंटेम्प्ट न्हू.
Now have a look at the revenue collected by the CCP from the allotted shops. Shockingly, CCP has not earned a single rupee as rent from the shopkeepers. Maximum shop area of 18 square meters have to bear charges up to 3,000, which includes electricity bill, water bill, cleaning and maintenance charges. Local vegetable vendors have to pay rupees 750 per month for 3 square meters. That too includes all the charges. But shop owners are opposing to pay this amount, claiming the amount has to be reduced to rupees 30 per square meter per month. Till date, not a single rupee has been paid by the shop owners and vegetable vendors. We tried to contact the Vendors Association for their comment. They claimed,
हेज्या पयलीं आमी जे फारीक करतालो तो खूब कमी आशिल्लो पूण आमी 30 रुपयांक मान्य करून आनी ताचेर आमकां सांगलें जेन्ना की तुमी कन्स्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट भरचे पडटले ते सगळें मान्य करून आमी हांगासर हें जालें रिहॅबिलिटेट जालें पूण जे आतां सद्या ते म्हणटा पळय ती तुमी 2013 पर्यंत 130 रुपया पर्यंत वाड जी ती भरा आनी मागीर आतां 195 भरा आनी मागीर फुडें 256 भरा तें आमकां मान्य ना.
आमकां रिहॅबिलिट करता आसतना जे आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटीन जे भाडें ठरयल्लें त्या प्रमाणे आमी 2007 ते 2014 पर्यंत म्युनिसिपालिटीक सगळें अप टू डेट भाडें दिल्लें आसा. आमी सगळे आनी डीडी दिल्ली आसा, डिमांड ड्राफ्टान पे केल्लें आसा. प्लस जे 15-16 दुकानवाले आसा फर्स्ट फेजीन तेंच्यांनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन कॉस्ट सगळ्यांनी 1,60,000 दिल्ले आसा आनी आमचे कडेन सगळो रिसिप्ट सगळ्यो आसा.
CCP is bearing all the charges of shop owners. In fact, the Panjikars are paying the rent for these shopkeepers in way of tax. If you consider the amount, it totals up to 15 lakh rupees per month. In addition to all this chaos, these shop owners have rented out premises to third parties and collecting rent of rupees 5,000 to rupees 10,000 per month. N.D. Agarwal's report on the market scam points out that action needs to be taken against guilty municipal officers and also electricity department officials who have failed to act against the defaulters. Till date, several leaders have come to power with mere promises made in their manifestos. However, with all these scams, these politicals are planning for third phase of the market complex. CCP awaits revenue and kiosks await rehabilitation in the market complex. Till date, Unknowingly, the Panaji market is run at the cost of Panaji cars' tax amount. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.